So, wait for this to heat up. This is our guy right here. Don't touch, but it gets hot. I'm gonna melt this a little bit. Let's see if we can melt this and make this hot. We gotta keep it on this. So we make this hot. I'm gonna have to put the camera down, so let's look at this. I feel like I melted the circuit board. As long as there's connection, right? That's what we care about.